An auto loan is one of the easiest ways to own a car. But like the other types of loans, only people with good credit can avail of the low-interest auto loans. This is very common because most lenders will want to safeguard their funds for lending and would prefer not to deal with people who have bad credit. Most lenders believe that people with bad credit pose a higher risk of becoming their liabilities, and that's why they don't give them the low-interest loans. The bad credit people can only get the special loans intended for them, the auto loan for bad credit people. This type of auto loan has higher interest rate than the normal loans. The borrowers of this loan are those that have low or poor credit scores. So to have lower interest rate loans, they have to avail of the bad credit loan that will serve as their second chance to uplift their credit score. They can pay for the high interests first, and they can consider the auto refinance later. The borrowers usually use the auto refinance option to save or to take loans that have lower interests than their existing loans. Since the auto loans for bad credit people usually have at most 30% interest, that is much higher than the 2,215% interest rates in the regular loans, refinancing is a wise move that most of the borrowers, especially the bad credit ones, do. Before availing refinancing, you have to first secure a bad credit auto loan that you have to pay for several months according to your terms. You can shop for lenders that offer auto loans for bad credit people with lower interest rates. Usually the hidden charges make interests of these types of loans higher. You have to make sure that your loans don't have these charges by securing a loan only from legitimate lenders and lending companies. If you can find a lower rate bad credit loan, then you can be sure that you can pay off your loan even without considering auto refinance. The auto loans for bad credit can be your step to cure or improve your credit score. To improve your credit score with this loan, you have to avail of the used cars or the less expensive ones. With these vehicles, you can have lower amounts of loans and interests. If you have some extra funds, you can pay higher down payments and make your loan term shorter to have lower interest rates. With these, you can pay all your monthly dues on time. That will then reflect on your credit report, thus making your credit score higher. If your credit score becomes higher, then that will be the time that you can avail of a loan for the expensive car that you like. With your stronger credit score, you won't be required of the bad credit auto loan. And to make sure that you can pay off your new auto loan, then you have to find an auto refinance company that you can deal with in the future.